I came out in the mouth of this little lake, I seen a lot of bait pop in. It looked like something was being chased. I fished it for a while, but I didn't have any luck. So I quickly moved on and went further down the lake. You can't see them in the video, but there's a large group of birds working. I'd seen some terns at first that were diving, but about the time I got to them, I seen the big group of seagulls working. And as you can see, they're obviously working some kind of bait, which turned out to be redfish. As I'm catching this fish, I realized that these fish are getting pretty close to me. I thought that they were moving from left to right. I was wrong. I tried to move my kayak out of the way, but I eventually scared the whole school off. Luckily I did find more redfish. I added this little clip in because I saw that my swimming mullet was tore up on the last fish, and since I'd seen redfish working, I got in a hurry and didn't change it, which resulted in this bite. And luckily again, there was more schools. They're everywhere in this little lake that I'm in. This has been the story of my life for my last several trips. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.